Okay, I'm going to start out by doing my background. I have, this is some Legion Stonehenge Aqua Cold Press, size 7 by 10. And for my butterfly, I'm going to do, let's see, make like a blue and a purple one. So I'm going to do those same colors in the background. I'm going to take some clean water and just kind of do some random swashes across the middle. And then I'm going to use my Carbazole violet and my Phthalo blue. Oops. I'm going to get some strokes of that. And I want this to be very pale in the background, so I don't want to have too concentrated of a color here. I'll get some of this blue. And then if you feel like you're getting like I'm just going to get some more water on my brush and just kind of blend that out. So I'm not getting these really harsh stroke lines. Do a little more purple down here. All right, there we go. I'm going to dry that. Now I'm going to take a watercolor pencil, just kind of loosely sketch out where my butterfly is going to be. Start here with the center. It's kind of just a very long, skinny oval. There's this antenna. And then maybe I'll come kind of to a loose point here. Okay. And then the first wing will come out, and then it'll have a bit of a wave. And the next wing will come this way and just be more teardrop shaped. I might need to come out a little further here. Or maybe I can use that as a second line. And then one trick I learned from someone else was if you flip it upside down, it's a little easier to get it symmetrical when you're doing the other side of something. Okay. Close enough. I can do any kind of adjustments when I'm painting it. Okay, I have a round 4, and I'm going to do the center of this, and I'm going to use, I'm very off on that. Hold on. Just going to adjust here. Okay. I'm going to just do the center of the body, and I think I'm going to use, let's see, I'm going to do Indigo. Just do the antenna. Okay. Now I want to do a little bit of a wet and wet for these wings so that the color will just spread. I'm going to use a larger round brush. I have an 8. I'm going to take some clean water. You know what, I'm going to dry that center, just make sure I don't bleed. I think I'm going to do these top middle sections of the wing in the blue, and then I'll do purple, and then these parts will be purple. So I'm just going to go ahead and paint in. Alright, cat food is coming out. Alright, and I said I was going to do blue, right? Okay. Alright, I'm going to start out here. And just let that, and I'm just going to kind of push that color up here. If you have any areas that the water is kind of pulling up, just kind of spread that around so that you don't end up with any blooms. You can lift some of that up and wipe it on a paper towel. Okay, I can already tell I've got this side much bigger than the other side, so I'm just going to use this opportunity to make that a little bigger. Do my violet wings. Okay, so I want it to be a little darker right here. I'll do that same wet and wet technique again. To do a light wash, and I kind of want some of this blue to bleed in there, so it's all right if I touch that. Alright, and with some clean water, I'm just going to spread that back. And I do want that a little bit darker, so I'm just going to get a little bit more pigment here and just make some strokes going back. And that will just spread out all on its own. And then I'll throw a couple little purple ones in this top blue too. Little streaks. I think I'm going to take a little bit of blue and just go around the outside edge too. Let's see what that looks like. This is a made-up fictional butterfly. Just kind of spread the color around, whatever you like. You can manipulate it quite a bit when it's really wet like this. I'll go back over and add some details after this is more dry. And I'm just going to add some more of the violet to the outside. This time I'm just going to do on dry here. And I'll just let that kind of bleed into what's already wet. All right, I'm gonna dry this, and then I'm gonna go back over it with a little bit more of this indigo for just a few little details on it. All right, I don't think I want to add anything else to that.